Hello, Mr. Rain. Good day. This is April. I'm in the factory now, and I first want to make a video call with you on Alibaba about the grout mixer plant, but you are not online. So this is the grout mixer plant that we just finished in our factory. This is for Singapore Calendar 2. And now let me show you some detail parts. This is a mixer. The mixer volume is 1.5 cubic meter, and it can mix about 40 cubic meters per hour. And you can see this is the cement inlet. Upper part is the container silo. It uses a screw conveyor to convey the cement into this collector hopper and then going into the mixer. And you can see that container, it is the water tank. On it has a level indicator to show us how much water left in the water tank. And from water tank going to the mixer, there are two inlets, a roof one and a thin one. The roof one is for roof. For the first the water will go through the roof inlet, and after reaching its set speed, the roof inlet will close and the thin inlet will open, and the water will go into the mixer slowly. So the accuracy of the weighing will be much more accurate. And this is a small dust collector. Use a filter bag on it. When the cement goes into the mixer, dust may a little much, so we use this small dust collector. The winning system is under the mixer. You can see the low cell here. This is media brand. This is the media brand. There are three units load cell under the mixer to weigh the cement and the water. And this part is the additive pump. You need to connect with the additive tank. The additive is weighed by the flow meter along the pipe. You can see this one is the flow meter. And after the grout finished, it will go into the storage tank. We also call it agitator. The agitator in our plant is about 3.5 cubic meter, and under the agitator there is a pressure level indicator. It can feedback signals to the control system to show how much finished grout inside the agitator. I show you inside of the agitator. There is a small mixing blade inside it. This is the motor and the reducer for the agitator inside the mixing blade. And this one is the grout pump. This one is a pipe like the motor pump. It can pump the grout into the horizontal distance 50 meters and the vertical distance 25 meters. The finished grout will pump into the using position by this pump. This pump capacity is about 40 cubic meter per hour. And this is the cover for the whole plant. When you don't use or when it works, you can close it, so that there will be less dust. All the cables, all the plug we use in our plant is the air plug. You can see like this. It is much more safe. This is the control room. This is the control panel, and this is a plastic window. Now it has a plastic protect. When arrive, you can remove the cover, and you can see clearly the mixer and the agitator working. Just sit in front of the control system. And this is the control panel. You can see here, this is the computer, and you can operate all the process when you choose the menu, when you choose the auto mode. This is the buttons on the control panel. When you choose the, you can see this is menu and auto mode. When you choose menu mode, you can use these buttons to control the whole system. And when you choose auto mode, you can set up your recipe on the computer and set how much grout you need. The grout will mix itself, and after finished, it will stop automatic. And this is the control cabinet. You can see we use cement PLC, and all the electric parts are snapped. This is the level indicator. When the pressure and the agitator fix back to the signals, the lights will on, and it will also sound to warn you the grout used out or need to mix new. And go from here. This is the main power connection. You can see we also adopt air plug for it. This is the main power for the grout mixer plant, and the upper one is for the container silo. The container silo, we already connect all the wires and all the cables. You just when it arrives site, you just connect the main power to this position, and that will be okay. This is the ladders and the fifth part. You can go through here to go on top of the container. This is an air jet dust collector. This is back tank. We also use the PEFT type. And at the back of the grout mix plant is the pneumatic system. This is an air compressor, and this is the water pipe, water inlet pipe. When you need to fill the water tank, you need to connect the power source from here. And then this is the whole grout mixer plant. The bottom, the back side of the grout mixer plant is fixed by bolts and nuts. When you need to do large maintenance, you need to you can remove it. The upper one is the container silo. We also have finished one and ready to deliver it to another country. This is the horizontal container silo. This one is the same with the upper one. Last time you told the SIP certificate. You can see this is the container number and this is the SIP certificate. When we do standard 20 GP container size, it can this is the SIP certificate we did. This container is to Singapore, and I confirmed with our ship agent that to Singapore there is ship can accept this ship can accept this container. We called it SOC container. But to Russia, there is no ship can accept this kind of SOC container. This one is you can see from here. This is a new type of 3 coins. The upper one of the grout mixer. The bottom is a screw conveyor. It can fit the cement into the mixer by the screw conveyor. Other parts are same as this container. Our container silo is very strong and can bear large pressure. And this side of the grout mixer is the same as the container silo. You can open it when it works. You can see from here the upper silo. This is the screw conveyor for the. This is the screw conveyor. You can see this white inlet. It connects with the cement inlet on top of the mixer. On top of the container silo, there also safety guard. So that's all the introduction of the floor plan. If anywhere you want to see, you can contact me and let me know where you want to see. I'll take another video.